Cloth diapers. So soft. Yeah, I'm looking at you.
How is it? Is it not good?
Go ahead. To the place.
West Virginia, Mount Mama, take home, country road.
Good job. It's laundry soap, baby. These are laundry soap for the baby. Yeah, you like that bubble wrap?
Yeah.
Cloth diapers.
Cloth diapers.
Mm-hmm.
Diapers. Which ones are they? Anisha.
Okay, show that one. Not too close. There you go. And then this one. It's got a little bear and a bunny on it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I got a new baby monitor.
Can I see?
They're little newborn sizes. Oh my gosh, look at these. This one looks like watermelon seeds. Oh, and this one's got rainbows on it. Oh, look at that. It says little sister.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is for when she's a little bit bigger and it's gonna be winter time.
So soft.
It's so soft. They're fleecy ones.
It looks so pretty.
Mhm.
Check out this.
Oh my god. Are you getting root beer now then? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple balls of root beer.
So we want to walk over there then? What, baby?
They want to play something with
Oh, well, we're getting ready to leave, baby.
No!
Yeah, we're getting ready to leave.
Yeah.
I'm
sorry.
Sorry, we're getting... Baby, don't cry, please.
Hey. My dad got a picture of me in front of the sign.
Yeah, I saw you guys taking pictures. I was just trying it first. Okay.
It's yummy.
But why is it not?
Why is it not carbonated?
Yeah.
That's because it's homemade. They didn't put carbonation in it.
How is it? Weird? Is it not good?
I guess I'm just used to it being sweeter. So if it was carbonated and if I put like another spoonful of sugar in it.
If it was ice cold and carbonated, it would probably be perfect.
Keep your pot and bowl in there. we're gonna come out tomorrow morning and this whole thing's just been gone.
Somebody just came by and stole the whole thing. Yeah. So much stuff. Nah, see? The one who's gonna get drunk and get on it is gonna be.
Yeah, probably.
All right, Joshy, you ready to go get your doggy out? All right, we gotta go, buddy.
Bye-bye.
You better give me a hug or I'm gonna be
He's
mad.
Regardless if you're hugging or not. I'll say hi from a distance since I might be sick. Okay, good.
Bye, Betsy. Bye.
I've had my vaccine. Me too. Hopefully it was just cold. Bye, I love you too. Kick feet forward. Bring him back. Feet forward. Back. There you go.
There, you can do it. Good job, baby.
It's going higher.
You are going high.
Good job.